Today we will study operational amplifier as a subtractor. Aim to study the operation of subtractor using operational amplifier IC741. Component required for assemble the circuit IC741. Specification of the IC. Power supply required power supply voltage plus minus 15 volt dual regulated power supply, input offset voltage 2 millivolt, input bias current 80 nanoampere, input offset current 20 nanoampere, unity gain frequency 1 megahertz, register carbon composition registers required, 4 number register required. The value of the register is 10 kilo ohm, quarter watt carbon composition, and one potentiometer is required 10 kilo ohm linear. Equipment and miscellaneous required for this circuit is DC regulated dual power supply plus minus 15 volt, dry cell, variable DC power supply, digital multimeter. Circuit diagram is shown in the circuit diagram of operational amplifier as a subtractor. Subtractor is a circuit in which when two input signal is given, V1 and V2, then the output V0 is equal to V2 minus V1. In this circuit, subtraction operation is done. Voltage V1 is given to pin number 2 and voltage V2 is given to pin number 3. Pin number 2 is inverting input of operational amplifier IC741 and pin number 3 is non-inverting input of operational amplifier IC741. Pin number 7 is plus 15 volt supply voltage given by dual power supply, and pin number 4 is supply voltage negative 15 volt given by dual regulated power supply. Pin number 1 and pin number 5, 10 kilo ohm potentiometer is connected for the offset nulling adjustment. Pin number 2 and pin number 6, in between pin number 2 and 6, register R2 is connected. The value of 2 is 10 kilo ohm carbon composition resistor. Pin number 6 is the output voltage. offset nulling adjustment. What is the actual offset null adjustment? When no signal is given between both pin input terminal are grounded. Means under no signal condition, when both input terminals are grounded, the output should be 0. If the output is not equal to 0, adjust the 10 kilo ohm potentiometer between pin number 1 and 5 so that the output becomes 0. Observation table is given. The reading which is measured means input voltage which is given V1, V2 should be mentioned in the observation table. Output observed by multimeter is mentioned in the observed voltage, and the calculated output voltage V2 minus V1 is mentioned in the observation table. In this way, 3, 4, 5 readings should be taken and observe output voltage is mentioned in the observation table. Output, and in similar way calculated output is mentioned. Theory required for the subtractor is also called as differential amplifier. Subtractor is also called as differential amplifier or difference amplifier. The input voltage are V1 and V2. As input impedance of operational amplifier is very high, current absorbed by the amplifier is 0. Therefore, I1 is equal to I2 and I3 is equal to I4. The voltage V1 is applied to the inverting input terminal through R1 and V2 is applied to the non-inverting input terminal through R1. The output voltage is given by V0 is equal to R2 upon R1 V2 minus V1. If R1 is equal to R2 and V0 is equal to V2 minus V1, thus the output is the difference between two input signal. The input voltage may be AC or DC signal. Lastly, the conclusion of this practical operational amplifier as a subtractor by using IC 741, operational amplifier can be used to perform analog subtraction.